it's Nugget, and today I'm going to be showing something very special to you. And guess what? You've been wondering, what's behind me? Well, you are probably been asking me to make Squishmallows. And guess what? I did it all for you guys. So today I'm going to play with Squishmallows. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, I'm going to unbox here. Oh, I was doing it in the wrong side. I'm gonna need that. I'm not gonna need this. Okay, first one is this one. You could see here. It's a little unicorn, and guess what? They're all scented. This one is Cloud Slime, and the name of the unicorn is Luna, and Bubblegum Scented. Don't forget to go to your local Hobby Lobby or Amazon. Alright, so here's the slime. I put some sprinkles in it. You can see that. Some of them are glitters and some of them are not glitters. Some of them are cloud slimes. They're not all cloud slimes, by the way. But look at this pretty magenta color. Oh my goodness, that does smell so good. I actually dreamed of having this. And guess what? There's one of my favorite animals are in here. I'm just gonna be saying. Alright, next one. But first, let me just put them in there. Wait. First, poking test. Do you know what a poking test is? It's like where you have to poke slime like this, see? Shush. Did that hear satisfying? And guess what? People love making slime videos. And guess what? Don't forget to like and subscribe. But look, like and subscribe if you can see my eye. Alright, next one. Well, do you like that one? Well, there's more slimes. And guess what? You've been probably wondering, why do I have so much slime videos? Well, it's because, don't you remember? I love slime. Next one. Alright, next one is this one. It's a dragon. It's glitter slime, and the name is Tanya, and it's blue raspberry flavored. And guess what? You can tell I put a lot of foam beads in here. You can barely see the glitter. Oh my goodness. If you put foam beads in this one, it feels so good. And it might be your favorite. And you can barely see the blue color. It's just rainbow. And here's Hush Everybody. And guess what? Oh no. What did I get on me? No. Alright, so next, the poking test. Wait, I forgot to smell this. Oh my goodness, that does smell like blue raspberry. It's blue raspberry nuts mixed with bubblegum. And here the poking test. Hush everybody. Like and subscribe if you could hear that. And guess what? I'm at only 16 subscribers. So please make my dream come true for 20 subscribers. And thank you all for 10 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 million, but I'm working on every single number. But aren't I the best? If you like dogs, you don't like me. If you like cats, you love me. Because you know why I said cats? Because cats are better, you know, because I'm not a dog person. Because the reason why I don't like dogs is because they bark and yap and yap and yap. Like, I hate that. And, oh my goodness, I could barely get this in here. All right. Next one, my favorite, axolotls. Axolotls are my most favorite animal. And guess what? It also has an axolotl charm. Let me just show you guys. It's glitter slime. You can see it's all pink, scented like watermelon. It's like, oh my goodness, that smells just like watermelon. Let me just get out this charm. It's a little bit hard. If you see this, you have to get all your hands. You have to get your hands on these before they're all gone. Because last time at stores, I didn't even see them. And I got very sad. But my mom ordered them for me. And they came and I loved it. And don't forget, this is Squishmallow edition. Alright, I think that's good enough. Here's the axolotl Squishmallow charm. You can see he's pretty cute. Oh my god. Oh. Don't leave. Please. Alright, look. It's an axolotl charm. See? And look. It's a glitter slime. When you hear the poking test, fine. But let me just get this in here so I could do the poking test. Everybody, be quiet. You definitely heard that. What was your... I'm going to ask something to the end. All right, next one. Next one is this one. And I know her name. This is Cam. And she has glitter slime. She's coconut scented. She does smell like coconut still. But look at it. Oh my goodness. It's like a bronzy brown. It looks like brownie batter, just a little bit glitter. And I know what they put in the glitter slimes. They put glitter glue. Remember Nugget and Scarlet made slime? It's like we both used glitter glue. But I kind of felt bad because I didn't want to give her purple because I really like pink, but I just wanted purple because some axolotls are purple, right? Some axolotls are definitely purple. And poking test. You definitely heard that, even though it had nothing. All right, next one. And this one has, I'm going to give you a little hint. Guess which one has sequins? It's probably the next one. All right, next one is this lion. And he's like having a rainbow made. And he has cloud slime. And he's vanilla scented. Oh my goodness, that smells like vanilla. Oh my, look how much sequins are in there. That's like this is more like a pumpkin slime. Write it down. Say pumpkin 3 times faster than me. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. It does look like a Halloween one. No, actually, guess what type of, month of the year the slime looks. This one looks more like Thanksgiving, right? Because it looks like dead turkey. You know why? Because look at these. These make the tail, and this is the skin. Don't you think so? Oh my gosh, I love the smell. Poking test time. Poking test time, guys. Hear it. Hush, everybody. probably didn't hear that. Well, hear the squishing test. You didn't even hear that because it's cloud slime. Next one. Alright, next one. And I have to get off this thing. And guess what? It is this froggy. And he kind of looks like my best friend Kermit. His name is Lenny. His slime is glitter slime. And his scent is kiwi. Hey, this is kind of like Nugget plays a slime, but this is Nugget plays a slime Squishmallow edition, part 2 Squishmallow edition. And I know you all love Squishmallows because they became very popular. And guess what? Don't tell anyone this, but you guys, okay? Tell your family if you're a kid. I have Squishmallows. I used to have a very big Squishmallow. And don't tell anyone else except for your parents if you're a kid. Alright, this is very cool. Like, do you see the glitter in this? Yeah? Alright, poking test time. You probably heard that, right? Next one, and guess what? I love it. It's also beachy themed like the axolotl one. I did 4 out of the set. There's 10 in the here. There's 10 slimes in one pack. There's 10 slimes in one pack and 8 mix-ins. If you have this, try it. If you see this at stores, don't forget to grab it and run out the store, or else they're all gone and you will be sad. Next one. Alright, next one is this one. And it's a squid, and his name is Stangy, I think. And he's cloud slime and it's cake scented. And I put some beads in here. And it looks more like pearls than beads. Look at it, like... Sorry, I had to do that because, you know what? It smells so good. Like, if you smell this, if you grab this, and do this one first, because I love the smell. And do what I did. Do all the accessories what I did, okay, guys? Wait, did I do cam? Yes, I did do cam. Yeah, I did. Next one is this fox. His name is Fifi, and it's cloud slime, and it's strawberry scented. And look, I've even put little glitter, Fifi glitter mix-ins. It poured. Oh my goodness, that does smell like strawberries. But look how Christmassy this slime looks. If I put the mix-in that has green, and then it will make like a Christmassy slime, but I couldn't because there's no green mix-ins. And guess what? I know what type of theme slime this is. This is December theme slime, you know why? Because it has the color red. And don't forget, Santa Claus wears red. And will you say this without commenting? Even though my comments, I don't have comments because I'm not old enough. But were you naughty or nice? Just say it, naughty or nice. I'm being nice because I've been working so hard for you guys. And don't forget the poking test. You heard that, right? Yeah. Next one, there's 2 more left. No! I don't want this video to end. Oh no. This one is the orange one. Smells like it's clothes slime and it's apple scented. This. Wait a minute. Does that have a? Oh my goodness! It has a charm. It has a little orange cat charm. Hey, this kind of looks like. Does this remind you of anyone? It does. It reminds me of Puss in Boots from The Last Wish. Here it is, the charm. And I can't forget the poking test. All right, poking test. You probably heard that, right? Well, the phone is almost dead. Is that sad? Yeah, that's pretty sad. All right, one more. This is almost to the end. Last one. It's the pineapple, and it's glitter slime, and it's pineapple scented. That's too obvious, because look, there's a pineapple. Right away a pineapple. This is probably the prettiest one. Oh my goodness. Look how cool, look how pretty this is. This is probably your favorite slime. Oh, it does smell like, wait, poking test. You probably heard that. Well, all right, that's the channel. And don't forget, which color was your favorite and what choice was your favorite poking? It's probably the blue raspberry. And look, their names are Luna, Tampa, Aragni, Cam, Leonard, Wendy, Sticky, Stanley, Fifi, Gwenchi, Gucci, and Maui. And their sequence started matter, beads, foam balls, sprinkles, and confident. And there is a Arachne charm and a Gucci charm. And look, more to squish. Just go on Squishmallow's Squad or Squishmallows. Squishmallow's Squad and Squishmallows. And I hope you love this channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bells. Bye. Subscribe for 20 subscribers.